Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to apply or use VLOOKUP function in Excel. A VLOOKUP function is used to find the return value for a lookup value in a range or table by row. As you can see, we have a data, the A column name of the students, and then marks and grade. Here we use VLOOKUP function in D2. In D1, double click here, enter the equal sign. Now type V and VLOOKUP. Now we find the lookup value, and we want to find the marks of Adnan A3, comma. Now we select that range or table if you have, and take that range. Comma. Now we find the column. In column B, which is second column, so we type 2, and now we type exact match. You can type 1 or for approximate match and 0 for exact match. So we type 5. Now bracket close and hit enter. So we get the value 85. Similarly, you can find the value of 4 others. So in this way, you can use VLOOKUP function to find the return value for a lookup value in a table or range. Describe our channel, and thanks for watching the video.